Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, June 29th. We're going to be seeing a mostly sunny day out there with very warm conditions, with this persisting through the weekend and into next week as well. So we are going to be seeing quite a long stretch of some very warm and dry conditions. Taking a look at our temperatures from yesterday, we did see a warm day across the Mid-Atlantic with most locations near 90 degrees yesterday. The warm spots were Norfolk and Pax River at 92. Here at Wallops, we got to 89. We got some mild lows again this morning, and these low temperatures are going to be pretty similar to what we're going to be continuing to see for the next several days, with temperatures getting down into the mid to low 70s for all locations across the area. Did see some very isolated light showers across the area yesterday, just a couple spots picking up a trace. And then as of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures warm up again across the region, with all locations already exceeding 80 degrees as of 9 a.m. and at 10 a.m. already pushing the mid-80s. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we do have a high pressure building over the eastern seaboard, as well as a strong upper level ridge building as well, and that is giving us some very light winds across the entire column. Winds are pretty variable, up to around 1,000 feet, running around 10 to 15 knots, and then getting above 1,000 feet, winds are west-northwesterly across the remainder of the column, still only running 10 to 15 knots from 3,000 up to 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our observations from this morning, our observation loop here, we are seeing those winds pretty light and variable across the area, and that is going to continue throughout the day. Here at Wallops, we are going to see those winds shift more easterly this afternoon, keeping our temperatures from getting into the 90-degree marks, but we are still going to be seeing temperatures in the upper 80s, with really seeing that heat starting to build as we go into tomorrow under mostly sunny skies. Surface analysis, you can see that high pressure building in across the mid-Atlantic there, as well as some upper-level ridging, and not going to be seeing too much change in the surface map as we go into the next several days as we move on to our forecast charts here. This is going to be pretty much the case as we go throughout today and into the weekend, with that high pressure continuing to build, with upper-level ridging strengthening. High pressure will continue to dominate throughout the weekend, and as we go into Saturday, as that high continues to expand across the area, and we are going to see those winds shift more southerly, losing the easterly component we're seeing today, and that's going to help raise temperatures here at Wallops into the lower to mid-90s, with possibly mid to upper 90s across central portions of the Delmarva as we go into both Saturday and Sunday. So very stagnant weather pattern with high pressure in control expected to remain through the weekend and into early next week. Taking a quick look at our weather chart here, not looking at any weather hazards today. Those winds are going to be light and fairly variable today, shifting easterly through the midday hours and then south-southeasterly towards the end of the workday today. And then as we go into the overnight hours, becoming light and variable before they shift westerly at 3 to 8 knots by mid-morning Saturday. We are going to be seeing a mild low yet again tomorrow morning of around 74 degrees here at Wallops. Taking a look at our TAF, just going to be seeing some thin cirrus clouds out there today. By the time we get into the noon hour, we'll be seeing some shallow cumulus clouds near 4,000 feet pop up, but only expecting a few of those with continued cirrus deck as we go through the afternoon. And then tonight we'll see those shallow cumulus clouds disappear, with only a few to a scattered cirrus deck remaining through the overnight hours. For Saturday, going to be looking at mostly sunny skies with a hot high of 92. Saturday night's going to be mostly clear and mild with a low of 74. And then Sunday does look to be the hottest day in the extended outlook under mostly sunny skies with a high of 93. And we will be seeing those heat indices around 105 here at Wallops, possibly exceeding that across more central portions of the Delmarva. Taking a look at our 7-day, we are going to be seeing a very hot weekend like we've been talking about all week here, with temperatures in the 90s for all locations across the Delmarva from Saturday through Monday under mostly sunny skies, with lows remaining in the mid-70s each morning. And then as we go into the middle of the week next week, we're going to get a little bit more of an onshore flow, and that is going to help to bring our temperatures down to more seasonable values, just into the mid to upper 80s, near 87 for Tuesday and Wednesday. Still going to be looking at a mild lows, though, as the humidity will remain a little bit high, looking at lows of 74. And then Thursday, we're going to start to see that onshore flow increase just a little bit with some more moisture, possibly giving us some mostly cloudy skies at times, but still looking at highs in the mid-80s at 86. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a wonderful weekend.